In many classrooms, children are motivated by external rewards like stickers, gold stars, or even punishments if they don't behave. But Montessori takes a very different approach. Dr. Maria Montessori observed that children are naturally curious, driven by an inner motivation to explore, master skills, and contribute to their community, and when adults use rewards or punishments, the child's focus often shifts from the joy of learning itself to pleasing the adult. Instead of saying, "If you finish this, you'll get a sticker," Montessori teachers might say, "I noticed how carefully you worked with that activity," so the child learns to value effort, concentration, and self-discipline, not the external prize. Similarly, punishments are avoided because misbehavior is usually a sign that the child's needs aren't being met. Perhaps they're tired, overstimulated, or not engaged in meaningful work. The teacher's role is to guide the child back to purposeful activity, not to shame them. Over time, this builds what Montessori called the normalized child, one who takes joy in doing things well for their own sake, and who respects others because they've experienced respect themselves. Montessori's goal isn't short-term compliance, but long-term independence, responsibility, and love of learning. If you'd like to dive deeper into the brain science behind these ideas, you can also explore our Brain Behind Montessori series.